In this video, I'll show you how to use Instagram story stickers effectively. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Now tap the option to create a new story. Choose a photo or video you want to post. After selecting the content, tap the stickers icon at the top of the screen. Here you will find different sticker options. For example, you can use the GIF sticker to add animated elements. You can also use the Add Yours sticker, which allows other users to participate in your story. Another useful sticker is the poll sticker, which helps increase engagement with your followers. Choose the sticker that best matches your content. Place the sticker on the screen and adjust the size if needed. Now publish your story. Using stickers effectively can increase interaction, reach, and engagement on your profile.